can go ahead. Don't worry about it. Got a Harley Davidson 2019 Softail sitting out here. A San Francisco fan. I didn't know they're gonna have bikes here, but it's the only one I've seen so far. So right now that's a singular bike. It's a nice looking ride. Oh, this is a 350Z. No, it's a Porsche. It is a Porsche. Well, it kind of looked like a 350Z when I first glanced at it. I said Porsche and then it backed off, but it's Porsche. Here. It's a nice Porsche. Nice color.
Another Galaxy down there. And everything. I didn't look under the. He didn't have the hood open.
Ford Galaxy right here, 1963. It says 1963 and a half. First time I've seen somebody put a half on there, but maybe there's some meaning to that. I don't know.
Oh,
hey, Meta. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about that. Hey, Meta, start recording. Start recording. Hey, Meta, stop. Hey, Meta, stop. Hey, Meta, start recording. So this thing, I'll look see what this is exactly, but it's got the devil in the back there. You can see that right there. I said when I walked up, you look at the inside of it, it reminds me of that Jeepers Creepers movie, that old truck he was driving. So, it is a 1952 Pontiac Chieftain? I'm not sure. Chevy pickup hot rod. I don't know, this one's up there with the Jeepers Creeper look too. It's crazy looking. Looks like a old hearse.
Would you mind if I get a picture? For the website. We put all pretty women in that car and it makes the website. Don't you agree?
No, other couple just had her taking videos of cars. There it is. Another person stopped Vanessa, my wife, to have her pose with the vehicle for a magazine, or website, I should say. She's sitting in the car over there. I'm telling all these people too, if she leaves me, it's their fault. It's a 1951 Ford. No, don't worry about it. Part of it, right?
You will. Your time is upon you.
Well, you know.
Ours can be yours in the time being.
It's a Ford Victoria 1951.
Hey.
Everybody out here is trying to dodge cameras, but you know, it's part of it. You come out here with a camera, you got to expect people to walk in front of it. They're not here to walk around your cameras. It's just like the gym these days. Everybody's filming themselves and get all pissed off if somebody walks in front of the camera, but it's a gym to work out. You know? Anyway, 1937 Ford humpback sedan. That's a nice looking ride. 1929 Ford Model A hot rod. Anybody guess what that is right there? 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's nice looking green.
The original. Those original.
A lot of people out here. I guess you would expect that though. 27 years, this car show's still happening. So 1974 Pantera. That's not something you see every day. Kind of reminds me of a DeLorean, stuff that's painted.